A very good morning to our Week and We Will team. I hope all of you are perfectly safe and healthy. First of all, I want to thank you all for your immense support throughout the journey in every manner that was possible on your behalf. It is because of you that we were able to reach where we are right now and has now helped us to take a step above and grow. Growth. Yes, that is the name of our new project in the education sector. So what is exactly growth? Growth is a project जहाँ पे कुछ प्रोफेशनल टीचर्स डेली बेसिस पे एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे टू द सिलेक्टेड चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम आवर संडे स्कूल एंड ऐसे टॉपिक्स पे फोकस होगा जो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में इम्पॉर्टेंट है लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के करिकुलम में इंक्लूडेड नहीं है और अगर है भी तो इनफ इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया गया. So as you can see the content in brief, students का base which is reading and writing पे सबसे पहले focus किया जाएगा. Further, topics related to general knowledge, sports, mathematics and few practical concepts like banking and accounting will be a part of this project. And lastly speaking, with confidence will be included to polish their soft skills and build a confidence within themselves. So on the basis of the content, it is very clear that our mission is to increase their understanding and knowledge level. उसके साथ ही उनके अंदर एक क्यूरियोसिटी डेवलप हो with respect to their surrounding, एक questioning part कि ये क्यों और कैसे हो रहा है. That is what we want in every child, and also to create a confidence within themselves. And it is very obvious that all these missions are based on a very simple and single vision, that is to give that child an opportunity to learn and educate, which in turn will empower them to support their family. So why exactly growth? अचानक से ये project क्यों, and how is this different from our education project or activity that we were conducting until right now? All of you are well aware about our education activity on every Sunday since last 4 years. But क्या सिर्फ Sundays सबके लिए enough है? There are students जिन्हें ज़्यादा attention की ज़रूरत है and who have the potential but are lacking because of the resources. Okay, so how is this project going to work? We have formed growth on 3 wheels of planning, implementing and supervising. The first thing, planning, as you can see on the screen, is already done. Now by done, I am saying that we will की core education team ने topic के contents along with set targets already brief में design कर लिए, and after every 15 days necessary changes will be made in the set plan and targets. Next, which is the implementing stage, is where the teachers will work on the set goals and daily worksheets will be provided to the students for continuous practice. Also, parents and teachers meeting will be held after every 2 weeks to keep everyone connected and in the loop. And finally, the most important thing is supervising, because बिना supervision के तो हमने भी कभी पढ़ाई नहीं की. So, weekly tests will be held by the teachers other than the one who are actually teaching them. And monthly reports shall also be prepared on the basis of their performance. Okay, Jinal, we are already excited and want to see it happening. So when does this project start? My mates, the project has already started on 11th of June and is being conducted online since then. हमने 4 बच्चों को shortlist किया है जिन्हें daily 3 teachers, one in the morning, one in the afternoon and one in the evening पढ़ा रहे हैं since last 2 months, and we can already see the difference. Also, we have decided कि हम किसी भी बैच में more than 5 students को नहीं लेंगे for personalized attention and in order to make this project successful. But only with your help we can add more batches and go ahead with the project. This is our ongoing team where Pankaj Thakkar is the one who had the ideation of this whole project since a very long time. And now the rest of the team is set to make it happen. So what are the requirements of the project and how much does growth cost us? Growth has been designed to achieve its objectives within a time period of 6 months and the basic resources जो कि इस project के लिए important है is the study material, the teacher's fees which is one of our major costs and few time to time requirements like stationery and other things. ये सब मिलाकर it leads us to a cost of rupees 4,500 per month of one child and accordingly 27,000 for the entire project of one child. So what do we exactly expect from you? With your help, we shall be able to add more students and more batches because as I told you, हम 5 से ज़्यादा बच्चों को एक बैच में नहीं लेना चाहते. And you can do that by sponsoring the cost of project for at least 1 month of one child or more than one child. And if possible, you can sponsor for the entire project of at least one child and more than one child. Okay, but हमने तो बचपन से give and take सीखा है, so this is what we expect from you. What can you exactly expect from us? So, we will be providing you with monthly reports of your sponsored child. Not only this, but आप randomly कोई भी lecture online attend कर सकते हो by informing the team member in advance and आप खुद बच्चे को monitor कर सकते हो. Also, we assure you that even after the project ends, हम बच्चों से linked रहकर उनको further guide करेंगे. And lastly, the kids and the family will know about your sponsorship, which will boost their morale. I hope that was quite enough of information provided. But yet, if you have any queries and would want to know more in detail, you can always contact on the details mentioned on the screen. Thank you all once again for the support. Help us become better and grow ahead.